If you guys could do me a big favor before we start, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, share these videos with your friends. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, and if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that little bell so you get all the notifications when we post new videos or go live. Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and LinkedIn so you can stay up to date with everything we're doing. Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to check out some of our other cooking videos, which you can get to by clicking on these links right here. And remember, as always, to dream big, think bigger, and always be you.